Chennai, Tamil Nadu Global Investors Meet at Chennai Trade Center. And here we are going to talk about one of the biggest cities of UK, Birmingham, from where Hill Smith PLC is there, the company which owns Bergen Pipe Supports.
That's right.
We are having with us Jitendra Chopra. He's the managing director of Bergen Pipe Supports. They are manufacturing in India and they are here in India for a very long time. So let's hear out from him. So what is the journey of Bergen Pipe Supports?
Yeah, Bergen Pipe Support started as a primarily to meet the domestic market in India. It was established initially to domestic market for engineered pipe supports for power sector. But as and when we matured our operations in India, there was a genuine commitment from the group to grow and expand the scope. So from being a company which was supplying only for domestic projects in India, we have grown to a company now where we export all over the world and supply our 80% revenue comes from exports. So that change happened in the last 5 years.
So at this Tamil Nadu Global Investors Meet, United Kingdom is having a big pavilion, and that is where Bergen Pipe Supports is showcasing their services. So, Mr. Chopra, you are into pipe support systems. Can you just explain the kind of business what you do so that we can understand more clear?
Right. It is mainly for the infrastructure sector. So you imagine installations like LNG installations, refineries, power sector. So these sectors, all these plants, they have miles of pipelines which are transporting fluids from one place to another. And those pipes need to be supported or hanged at depending on the load they carry. And that is where Bergen Pipe Supports come in, and we support all those pipes by providing very customized and very unique solutions to meet those requirements. And these products are now accepted by customers all over the world. Like our customer may be in Japan and the project may be globally in any location, and that is where we have made a mark for ourselves.
See, UK as a country, we know that when it comes to engineering, they're very, an ancient, we can say, very old economy.
Right.
So what are the kind of advantages being an UK company you bring for Indian manufacturing?
I think what we bring is a commitment to give the best in terms of the technology. Whatever technology we have developed over the last 50 years in UK, we have wholeheartedly transferred to our plant in India. Without any hiding the thing, no, we will hold a certain part of the thing and only the lower end of supply chain we will do. It's not that. Everything that we have learned and developed over the last so many years, it has been fully implemented in India, and that is the value chain we bring in.
So I was talking to a couple of other global manufacturers. They were telling sometimes they face challenges making in India, say the productivity issues or the getting the raw material or the achievement of quality. So do you have any that kind of challenges as of now, or?
There are always challenges, but that is where we have a very capable and a good team to manage those kind of challenges. So you would be surprised to know that even though our 80% of our revenue comes from exports, our supply chain, our procurement side is entirely domestic. We buy all our products, all our inputs from India, and we are able to convert it into a very good quality products for exporting it all over the world.
So that is something amazing to see. It is not only that you are catering to the Indian market. You are almost 80% you are exporting.
Yes.
Oh, that is again a great story of Make in India actually.
Absolutely.
So you were in the market for quite some time,
Right.
Selling your products here. But recently you have started manufacturing in India.
We are into pipe supports for the last 50 years. From India, we are manufacturing since the last 12 years.
12 years.
Yeah,
So
so our
before
journey-
that also you were selling in India, right? Your pipe
We were
supports.
selling in India, yes. So primary reason for setting up the operation in India was because India was growing in terms of the new power plants and new refineries, LNG installations, and that is where we decided to invest in India and set up our own manufacturing facility.
So apart from the price advantage, definitely the Indian customers will have the price advantage, you coming and manufacturing here. What are the other advantages the Indian manufacturing capabilities are providing your customers?
Well, at the outset, I want to clarify one thing, that these products are not sold on the basis of price. I think there is a lot of engineering capability goes into it. The application is very critical. It is safety critical to the extent that the engineering capability is the key. So price, whether we are supplying, yes, definitely There is a certain level of price when we do it from India, but that is not the primary. I think what we have brought to our customers is a global technology right to their doorstep in India. That is the change we have brought. And the decision is never based on price.
Maybe the time.
Yes, I think that is a good point you made. The supply chain part, if we are able to do a very quick turnaround from their order to the final delivery, it makes a huge amount of difference to a time-sensitive project.
Thank you very much, Mr. Jitendra, for sharing this thing. We at Tamil Nadu Global Investors Meet, are coming out with some of the stories where UK companies, how UK companies are strengthening the manufacturing sector in India. And thanks to Mr. Chopra for giving us some of the insights how Bergen Pipe Support is building a strong supply chain in India, a strong manufacturing in India, and serving the entire global manufacturing. Thank you.
But I would like to thank you, Hari, for taking this story to your viewers. I'm sure there will be a lot of motivation to come and invest more, and that is what we are looking forward to.
End of the day.
And also a thanks to UK High Commission. They have been our partners all along this journey and always been an enabler to grow more. So thank you.
Thank you very much.